natural remedies for cracked heels. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. Willow and common comfrey remedy for cracked heels. Make a tea with 2 handfuls of, fresh or dries, willow leaves and 4 handfuls of finely minced common comfrey leaves. Leave the leaves in warm water overnight to infuse. Next morning, warm up the tea really good and then pour the tea in a deeper basin where you can fit your feet entirely. After 30 minutes, use a pumice or a foot file to peel off the dead tissue. Rinse your feet in the same tea and then take them off and wipe them well with a cotton or linen towel. Apply a natural moisturizing cream and massage your heels for 10 minutes. Take on a 100% cotton or wool socks. In the evening, anoint the heels again with the moisturizing cream. Take the socks on and go to bed. You'll need to keep the socks on overnight and for the next 3 days. Repeat the procedure for 9 days, until your heels have healed back completely. Apply every evening on your heels iodine tincture from the vet pharmacy, because that's more concentrated. Repeat the procedure for the next 3 days and that's that. Resume if the condition recurs. Grate an onion on the small grate and mix it with teaspoon marigold ointment. Anoint your heels with this mixture and wrap them in plastic foil overnight. A powerful herbal mix remedy for cracked heels. Make a mixture of equal parts of St. John's wort, yarrow, birthwort, and lady's bedstraw. Add 2 teaspoons of this herbal mix per 250 ml of cold water and leave to macerate overnight, 8 to 10 hours. Next morning, slip and keep the liquid and pour 250 ml of water over the plants and boil them for 10 minutes. Slip and let the tea cool down a bit and then mix it with the cold tea. Use the obtained tea to wash your feet with, multiple times per day without wiping your feet. Anoint your feet with marigold balm afterwards. Resume until your heels are crackless. Wash your feet thoroughly with water and natural soap and then anoint them with raw glycerin or glycerin borax diluted with 3 teaspoons lemon juice. Shake the bottle well and anoint the heels with this composition. If you are persistent, in 1 week your heels will heal completely. Comfrey root homemade treatment. Make a macerate of chopped comfrey roots and 50 to 60 degrees alcohol in a dark colored small glass. Use the macerate to anoint your cracked heels twice per day. Wash and dry your feet previously. Natural remedy for cracked feet with carrots and onion. Finely grate 2 carrots and temper them for 6 to 8 minutes in cooking oil on medium/low heat. Take out of the pan half the carrot quantity and add in 1 grated paraffin candle and 1 tablespoon of yellow wax as well. Melt everything together on very low heat. Meanwhile, cut 3 medium-sized onions in small cubes and temper them well in sunflower oil. Take the onion out of the oil, soak well and then add the same amount of freshly cut onion once again in the same oil. Add the squeezed onion. When the natural balm has cooled down a bit, pour it in small glass jars and keep in the fridge. Wash your feet in hot water and use this onion and carrots balm daily before bedtime. Take on a cellophane bag and a pair of comfortable socks. Aloe vera treatment for cracked heels. If you have a 3 to 4 years old aloe plant, you can use it in case of cracked heels. Cut a leaf from the lower part of the plant. Use scissors to cut off the lateral spikes and the harsh peel on the upper side of the leaf. Apply the aloe leaf on with the soft side towards the heels. Seal it in place with an elastic bandage. Apples natural remedy for cracked feet. Peel off apples. Cut them in small cubes and boil them in 150 to 175 ml of milk. After they've boiled for a while, use a mixer to mash the apples with the milk into a fine paste. Use the paste on your cracked heel, then cover with a bandage and keep it on for 30 to 50 minutes. Repeat the procedure daily. Wheat bran cure for cracked heels. Infuse 700 gr of wheat brans into 1 L of hot water until the water cools down completely. Strain the bran and use the obtained liquid to bathe with. Before use, heat it up just a notch and take 20 minutes feet baths. After the water has cooled down, pour more hot macerate over and continue bathing. Honey cure for cracked heels. Mix molten pork fat with honey in 1:2 proportion. Use this balm to anoint your heels with it, then cover your feet with a clean towel and leave hours like that. Repeat daily, or at least 3 to 4 times per week. Folk remedies for cracked heels. Sour milk remedy. Keep your feet in sour milk for a few minutes and then anoint them with goose fat. Pumpkin remedy for cracked heels. Wash your feet well in warm water and then anoint them with unrefined cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil. Another remedy based on pumpkin in this one. Take sodium bicarbonate feet baths before the procedure. Remove the small threads that stick the pumpkin seeds inside the pumpkin and apply them on the affected area. Take on a plastic bag, bind it tightly and keep it on for 4 to 8 hours. Afterwards, anoint the heels with sunflower oil or with flax seed oil in which you've soaked marigolds. Carrots cure. Grate a few carrots and mix them well with oil. Make a cataplasm and place it directly on the cracked heels. Keep the cataplasm on throughout the day and keep it in place with a sock. In the evening, change the cataplasm with a new one or smear the heels with pumpkin seed oil and apply a cabbage leaf as compress. Take on 3 cotton or wool socks on. You may also use honey instead of pumpkin seed oil. Fats cure. In the evening, after you've washed your feet, smear them with butter, lard, or sour cream. Onion remedy. Grate an onion and pour a bit of cooking oil over it. Leave it to macerate for a few days and then strain the oil and use it to smear the cracked heels with it. Afterwards, take a pair of socks on. Other recommendations for cracked heels. Wear 100% cotton or linen socks. Avoid any synthetic fabrics in direct contact with your heels. Avoid wearing synthetic footwear as well. Throw away all the socks and shoes that you wore when you had the cracked heels. Disinfect your bathtub/basin after washing your cracked feet in them. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell and share this video with your friends.